Bonjour, bonsoir, Julie. So the last time we talked about the possessives. Okay, so you have the list here on Grammaire progressive du français, page 38 of the PDF and 36 of the book. So masculine singular, feminine singular, pluriel. We don't pay attention to the gender here for the plurial. So mon, ton, son. The way we learn it in France is mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur, because it's identical here. Okay? Mes, TC, nos voleurs. So, mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. Mes, TC, nos voleurs. Ok? On est chez notre grand-mère. We are, nous, we are, at grandma's place. Quand on est vieux, on parle de son passé. When people are old, they talk about their past. Okay? That's not what I want to focus on. Just be careful of the liaison, mon ami, mes idées. And if we have here matassa deviennent mon ton son devant une voyelle ou un H. Okay? So, une amie, a friend, mon ami. We're not going to say ma amie. Une erreur, ton erreur. Son hésitation, his or her hesitation. So you have to be careful. The noun next to the possessive will affect the gender of the possessive. If I say, I'm going to come back to the transcript, but if I say, for instance, une erreur, let's say his mistake, I'm going to say son erreur. If I want to say her mistake, it's going to be the same because the noun starts with a vowel. Okay? So nouns starting with a vowel, especially feminine nouns starting with a vowel or an H, will use a masculine possessive adjective. Hein? After we have the pronouns, le mien, le tien, le sien, le nôtre, le vôtre, le leur, la mienne, la tienne, la sienne, la nôtre, la vôtre, la leur. So, okay, let's be strategic here. If you know this one, this first list, you can guess the rest. You don't have to learn by heart. Just try to use a very good strategy. So the strategy for the feminine singular will be, we replace le by la, and we double the consonant here. The rest is identical, again. So we have le mien, double the consonant, la mienne, le tien, la tienne, le sien, la sienne, le nôtre, le vôtre, le leur, but here in feminine, we're going to have la, logically. So, la mienne, la tienne, la sienne, la nôtre, la vôtre, la leur. Just pay attention. We double the consonant here. The rest is identical except the article. All of these become la. And after we just add an S for the rest, masculine plurial. Well, we replace le by les, logically. Les miens, les tiens, les siens, les nôtres, les vôtres, les leurs. So we replace this part and we add an S. Same goes for the feminine plurial. We replace this part, les, and we add an S. That's it. Okay? We did a few exercises. I'll give you number 2, number 3. I'll give you this one and this one. Okay, quickly. So, ma mère est à Paris. Mon frère, it's my brother, it's masculine, so mon frère, est aux Bahamas. Ma sœur est dentiste. Mes enfants sont à la plage. Mon école, it's une école, but we're not going to say ma because it starts with a vowel. Mon école est fermée. Mon ami Pierre est en voyage et mon ami Lola est malade. Same goes for those guys. La Joconde est célèbre pour son sourire. Apollon est célèbre pour sa beauté, une beauté. Woody Allen est célèbre pour son humour, un humour. Mozart est célèbre pour sa musique. You see, it's a good one here. His music, but it's une musique in French, so we say sa musique. Balzac est célèbre pour ses romans, S-I-S, plural. Here we have Marc et Sylvie. Now this one is a bit complex, so let's just keep it on the side. Here we're just focusing on the pronouns. A bit of adjective, possessive adjectives as well. Prête-moi ta moto, féminine. La mienne est en panne. Mine is broken. Prête-moi ton briquet, un briquet. Le mien est vide. Prête-moi ton portable, T-O-N. J'ai oublié le mien, masculine singular. Prête-moi Ta veste, ta, féminine, une veste. La mienne est au pressing. Prête-moi tes notes, tes, plurion. Je ne trouve plus les miennes, mine. Plurion féminin, plurion, une note. Okay? So, let's just go back to the transcript. I had to start again the video. Sorry about that. QuickTime crashed. So, but anyway, je ne parle pas bien le français. Je ne parle pas bien le français. I don't speak French well. Se l'éviter à moi, etc. So I just explain all the possessive. We can skip everything. Be careful. The noun will give the gender. Will give you an idea of the gender of the possessives. Possessive. Okay. That's important here. C'est à moi. It's mine. C'est à toi. It's yours. C'est à lui. It's his. C'est à elle. So there's a liaison every time. C'est à moi. C'est à toi. C'est à lui. It's his. C'est à elle. It's hers. C'est à nous. It's ours. C'est à vous. It's yours. C'est à eux. It's theirs, masculine. C'est à elle. It's theirs, féminine. Okay. C'est le mien. It's mine. C'est le tien. It's yours, etc. Okay, we'll just reuse the pronouns we just talked about. C'est mon vélo. It's my bike, etc. So I explained everything already. That's one exercise we just did. Ma sœur est infirmière. Every time you have a status or job or religious belief, you're not going to use an article in French. Je suis bouddhiste, je suis chrétien, je suis juif, etc. Ma sœur est infirmière, je suis étudiante, je suis professeur, etc. Elle travaille à l'hôpital de Los Angeles. So we just did this exercise. Okay. J'ai pris mon premier cours de guitare, ma première classe. Pourquoi la guitare? Oh, that doesn't make any sense here. Pourquoi Johnny Cash parle de la mort dans toutes ses chansons? Let me just write it down. Pourquoi Johnny Cash parle de la mort dans toutes ses chansons? Okay. Hurt is my favorite, c'est ma préférée. Je le cherche ou je la cherche because it's a song and it's feminine in French. La chanson. La mélodie. Okay. That's the same melody. Démonstratif, basically we have ce, cette, c'est. Ce masculine, cette féminine, c'est plurion. Again, we don't care about the gender if it's plurion. And we have an additional one, so we can give some examples. Ce vélo, cette voiture, ces vélos, ces voitures. A man start with an H, so we're going to use a different one. Instead of saying ce homme, this man or that man, we're going to say cet homme. So every time you have a masculine noun starting with an H or with a vowel, you need to use this demonstrative adjective. Okay? C'est, ces vélos, ces hommes, etc. Ce vélo-là, we just specify even more. This one here, over here. Okay? So là means here, there. We have là-bas, over there. Là-bas, over there. So that's demonstrative adjectives. Okay, I just explained everything. Ces clés appartiennent à cette étudiante, cet étudiant. Okay, appartenir, belongs to. Sont à, bienvenue chez HT. I ask you to watch the video. I hope you did it. Une chaise roulante is a wheelchair. And also ask you to do this this homework. I hope I can open Safari. Safari crashed as well. This is not my computer, so I'm struggling a bit with PC. I don't like PC. So basically, this website is great because you have different levels, and also you will go through a lot of topics like this one. No need to play the video. It's very short, but still. And we're talking about les fruits, le poisson, la viande, les légumes, le fromage. So Basically, we say de la viande, masculine, indefinite quantity masculine, des légumes, vegetables, pluriel, du fromage, masculine singular, indefinite quantity, des fruits, fruits, pluriel. Okay? So next, what you do is you can go to number 2. It's the same, basically it's the same video. Huh? You have the transcript here, la transcription. Okay, we're gonna go through this stuff after. And we have different exercises. I want to see what you're capable of, okay, before giving you the answers. I'll see you in about 40 minutes. I try to really trying to understand this PC. Really not easy, but I don't know if you're gonna take a course. Even, I mean, if you don't, it's fine. Just let me know, just confirm, and I'll talk to you soon. Logically, okay? You take care and talk to you soon. À bientôt.